The episode opens on a dark, silent night, the kind of silence that feels dangerous. Harsan is walking alone toward the farm, unaware that this night was meant to be his last. Somewhere in the shadows, Zahid is hiding, watching every step. Asan takes his hand are shaking not because he is weak but because he knows this one move will decide everything, his future with Alia and his survival under Hail. Zahid keeps reminding himself, if I don't do this, Hail will destroy me. But what Zahid does not realize is he is already part of a much bigger game. As Arsan reaches the isolated area near the farm, he suddenly slows down. Something feels off. The wind is quite too quiet. His instinct kick in before Zahid can attack Arslan. Arsan suddenly turns back fast in a single movement. Everything flips. Arsan grabs Zahid by the collar, slams him against a wall, and tightens his grip around his neck. Who sent you? Arsan demands, his voice filled with anger and suspicion. Zahid struggles to breathe. His eyes are filled with fear. For a moment, he almost says Hale's name, but then he remembers if he speaks, he dies. So instead, he lies. I did this for Alia. I love her. I want to marry her. You are in my way. And dear friends, Hassan stares into his eyes, trying to read the truth. Something does not feel right. This does not feel like a simple jealousy attack, but he lets him go for now. And that for now is very important because from his movement, Arsan starts doubting everything. Cut to Hayal sitting calmly in his house like nothing happens, but his mind is racing. A man like Hayal does not make mistakes, and on it something went wrong. He gets the news he failed. For a few seconds, his expression changed. His eyes turn cold, but then he smiles because this was never just about killing Arsan. This was about removing both problems. Arsan, the unknown threat, Zahid, the dangerous witness. Ail whispers to himself, even failure can be useful if you know how to use it. His next move becomes even more dangerous. Meanwhile, Zahid is losing control. He survived, but now he is terrified. He starts realizing something disturbing. Hail might not let him live anymore out of fear and desperation. Zahid made a stupid but bold move. He goes to Samira. He confronts her and says something shocking. And dear friends, I deserves you more than Hayal. He's playing everyone, including you. This is a massive mistake because Samira is not just a woman in this story. She is a secret, a scandal, a weapon. If this truth comes out, Hayal's image as the protector of the neighborhood will shatter instantly, and Zahid just walked strange into danger. And welcome, dear friends, back in the neighborhood. Things are changing, dear friends. People are whispers, and where for the first time Hayal is being questioned. The story about the house deal spreads how he manipulated everything with the officer just to trap Abul Fakhr. Men gather in small groups talking quietly. Was this marriage even real or forced? Did Hayal plan everything? He is really protecting us or controlling us? Respect is slowly turning into doubt, and doubt is the beginning of rebellion. At Abu al Fakhr's house, things are breaking emotionally. Haya is no longer the same. She barely speaks. Her eyes are always filled with sadness. She agreed to the marriage, but her heart is somewhere else. Her mother cannot take it anymore. For the first time, she goes against the situation. She secretly sends a message to Salim. Come before it's too late. Salim reads the message and everything inside him wakes up again. Love, anger, pain at all once. He decides he will not stay silent anymore, but he is not the only one. Salim, the other man, also steps forward. He goes directly to Haya's mother and asks for the